There is a moment after a vehicle comes back from a body shop that some customers dread. They walk up to the car, they look at the repaired area, and something is just a little off. The color does not quite match. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to talk about color matching, why it matters, why it can go wrong, and what a proper approach to it actually looks like. Color matching is one of the most technically demanding parts of collision repair, and it is also one of the areas where a customer can most easily see the difference between a careful repair and a rushed one. Here is the problem that makes color matching challenging even when the shop is trying. Every vehicle's paint changes over time. Sun exposure, weather, washing, and normal use all affect how paint ages. So a brand new application of the exact factory color may look noticeably different next to the existing paint on the vehicle, because the existing paint is no longer its factory color. It has shifted slightly over months or years. That is why skilled painters do not just spray the color code and call it done. They evaluate the existing paint, adjust the formula when needed, and blend the new paint into the surrounding panels so the transition disappears gradually rather than creating a sharp, visible line. That blending process takes time. It requires skill, and it requires a painter who actually cares about the finished result, not just speed. What happens when color matching is done poorly? The repaired panel looks like it belongs to a different car. In certain lighting, especially direct sunlight, the difference is obvious, and the customer is left with a repaired vehicle that still looks like it was repaired. That is not an acceptable result. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, color matching is handled with the tools, process, and attention to detail that it requires. We want the finished vehicle to look consistent. We want the repaired area to disappear into the rest of the paint, not announce itself every time someone looks closely. Because the goal of a proper repair is for no one to know the repair happened. And paint is a big part of making that possible. If you need paint work done right, color matched, blended, and finished properly, bring your vehicle to Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We'll make sure the color tells the right story.